with the iconic chocolate of Hershey's Kisses.
Hey, don't chew on his tail, Holly.
Mikey, what are you doing?
Are you working for me?
Nothing?
Music.
It's like I got this music. My